Here are 5 tips to make your partner feel completely satisfied in bed. If you're single, you can skip this video, but if you're in a relationship or want to learn how to keep your partner happy, pay attention because intimacy is crucial in relationships. Many couples face issues that often stem from difficulties in the bedroom, so don't overlook this. Women, in particular, are sensitive when it comes to intimacy and rarely express their needs directly, so it's essential to be attentive and willing to learn. Let's dive in. 1. Start with the best foreplay. Many men overlook this. They think that foreplay only involves kissing or touching, but effective foreplay, which can elevate a woman's desire multiple times over, is actually talking before intimacy. For some, this might seem boring, especially for men who can't wait to get started. However, taking the time to talk to your partner first can make a significant difference. Ask her about things that boost her positive energy, like future vacation plans or other topics that make her excited. Compliment her sincerely. Tell her you love her style or enjoy her fragrance. This kind of conversation fosters intimacy and makes her feel closer to you, increasing her desire and readiness for intimacy. 2. Understand her mood. Women are different from men in that they can't separate their emotions from intimacy. This means that if she's not in the mood, it's hard for her to enjoy a quality experience. Your job is to help lift her mood before engaging. Make sure she's feeling good by engaging in conversation, listening to her concerns, complimenting her, or even surprising her with a gift she's been wanting. Remember, the more she feels appreciated, the more likely she'll give you her best in return. Understanding her mood benefits both of you, as a satisfied partner will enhance your own experience as well. 3. Small touches matter. While orgasms are important, they're not the only thing women want from intimacy. Small touches like cuddling or gentle kisses, even when you're not in bed, can mean a lot. Holding her through the night or giving her light kisses will make her feel loved. These gestures, which might seem trivial, can provide a pleasurable experience that sometimes rivals the feeling of an orgasm. So don't overlook small touches. They're invaluable and deeply appreciated by your partner. 4. Dim the lights. This tip can help maintain her mood and ensure she's comfortable before engaging. Many women enjoy a dimly lit atmosphere in the bedroom, as it helps them feel more secure and less self-conscious. This kind of lighting creates a cozy, intimate, and romantic atmosphere, allowing her to relax and fully engage in the experience. 5. Express your gratitude. Finally, the simplest but most powerful trick is expressing gratitude. Whispering a heartfelt thank you in her ear after your time together can bring her immense pleasure. Women feel appreciated when their efforts are acknowledged, especially by someone they love. Nothing is more fulfilling for her than knowing she's succeeded in making you happy. Don't shy away from expressing thanks after intimacy. This small gesture can strengthen her respect and affection for you. Alright bro, that's all for this video. I hope it's clear and helpful.